Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. Today we have come to find the value of sum which is under root 4, under root 4, under root 4, under root 4 till infinity. If there is a repetition of a number which is under root of some number, right, which is repeated with the operator multiplication, how to find the sum of that? Looks difficult, isn't it? So many numbers are there. Under root 4 we know what is the value of under root 4. Under root 4 is 2, but what is the value of under root 4, under root 4, under root 4, and so till infinity. Ideally, if you start doing this, all of you can do this. You will take 2 to 5 minutes of time to solve this. But today in this video I am going to teach you how to find the value of this sum within 3 to 5 seconds. Yes, you have heard it right. Taking just 3 to 5 seconds. Want to learn how? Let's see. The answer will be 4. How much time did it take in writing the answer as 4? Hardly a second or 2. That is what I was telling. 3 to 5, that is 2 seconds. Okay, let's see how to do this sum. Any number which is repeating itself with multiplication, under root 4 multiplied by under root 4 multiplied by under root 4 under root 4 till infinity, if it goes, the value of that will be the same number. In this case it is 4 and the value will be 4. Isn't it right? Let's see another cool trick of speed mathematics. What if here limited number of 4s are given, or the number is limited number of time, repetition of the number is there. In this case, you see under root 4, under root 4, under root 4, under root 4, under root 4. How many times repetition? Repetition is happening 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Okay. What is the number? Number is 4 and repetition is 5. So our answer will be number, and what is the value of repetition? 2 to the power repetition. 2 to the power 5 is 2 to the power 5 is 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 5 will be similarly 32, right? So our answer will be 4 to the power 1 minus 32, that is 32 minus 1, 31 divided by 32. This is our answer. Yes. Let's see another example. If it was under root 3, under root 3, under root 3, under root 3, then what was the value? The value of this will be 3 to the power, how many times of repetition? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So we would have written 1 less than 16, that is 15 divided by 16. Isn't it cool? Do like the video, subscribe the channel, and share video with all your friends. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.